ContourGlobal, the energy company and subsidiary of NYSE-listed KKR, just announced the launch of its first renewable energy facility here in America. And I do want to head down to the trading floor where NYSE content creator Ashley Masternardi is standing by with more on this story. Ashley, good morning.
Good morning, Kristen. ContourGlobal has begun operations, and when this complex is completed in 2026, it's going to be the largest solar complex in northern Colorado. Here to tell us more is ContourGlobal CEO Antonio Camasecra. Welcome to the New York Stock Exchange.
Good morning to everybody, and thank you for inviting me here.
So tell me, what does ContourGlobal do? What service are you providing?
We are an independent power producer that acts globally in the United States, in Europe, Africa, and Latin America. So we generate electricity from gas and renewables.
All right, so tell me about your BHS initiative.
Yeah, this is a large solar project that we have just completed in its first phase. Yesterday, basically, so we are launching this news today, and it will follow a second phase, and when it will be all completed, will be 324 megawatt of solar power that we will inject into the grid for local consumptions to the local utility. It's our first renewable project in the United States of America, and we are very proud of it.
How is this going to impact the community around it?
Well, first of all, we're using a little bit of its territory to produce clean power through an available resource, which is the sun. We are injecting the power into the grid, and this will be, let's say, absorbed and then dispatched by the local utility to the benefit of the local, let's say, consumptions.
All right, and how do you see the role of renewables in the US market, and how does it fit into your overall strategy?
I will start from the second part. It's a very important part of our strategy. More than 50% of our capital investments will be in the United States of America, so we intend to grow a lot in renewables in the United States after the large base of thermal assets we already operate in the United States. The prospects are very good because growth, electricity growth, demand expectations have never been so high like today. So we believe the renewables will be a very important contributor to the hunger for power that is driven by the AI business, for the AI, the digital revolution, etc. So renewables will be a key component of supplying sustainable power to the grid for all consumers in the United States of America. And ContourGlobal will do its little part in this journey.
Earlier this year, you launched a $1 billion green bond. Can you talk more about that?
Yes, this was the idea of financing us through a green bond, so taking a commitment of investing this money largely into renewable projects here in the US, but also in Europe and in Latin America. We've been very successful in the subscriptions, so the market has, let's say, liked our propositions, and we're very happy of, let's say, the outcome of this placement, and we will do it again, because we see that there is still a strong demand for green projects and so green financing associated to it.
Given competition, what are your expectations when it comes to continuing to finance these types of projects?
I think when projects are well defined, I would say in harmony with the territory, with the right economics, maybe rid of subsidies like it's happening now through the new OBBB, there will be appetite for green projects, and so the finance will follow. I'm totally optimistic from this point of view.
All right, and what is your vision for ContourGlobal in the next 5 years?
We will become a 10 gigawatt plus company, so we will be one of the largest independent power producer active in gas and renewables in Europe, United States, and selected other countries around the world.
Why renewables?
Because it's the cheaper, most sustainable source of generating power. It's easier, fast to do it, and the way to go forward for me, it's renewables.
All right, is there anything else that I haven't asked that you'd like to add?
Well, America, United States in particular, is very important to us. This is an American company, was founded by an American, let's say, founder with American capitals. We feel we are Americans, even if I am Italian with my Italian accent, but we like to be here. Maybe one day, we don't know, we will be here for a different reason.
All right. Thank you so much, Antonio Camasecra, CEO of ContourGlobal. Thank you for joining us at the New York Stock Exchange. Kristen, amazing things happening with solar power in northern Colorado. I'm going to send it back to you.
Ashley, thank you.